sanctions are brutal. We have only witnessed one country which has come out of these sanctions is Russia. Otherwise, we have seen these sanctions, what they have done in Venezuela. We have seen the same happening in the Syria, and the sanctions, they are very brutal in Iran as well. People are fighting for their daily needs. They don't manufacture anything, so it's like most of the things. So the SWIFT system is out of their reach, so they cannot take the remittance, they cannot send money outside, they cannot import anything, they cannot export anything. And it's like more than now 3 or 4 decades they are living with these sanctions. And these protests, the recent protests, were the organic outcome of this sudden decline in the value of the Irani rial. And the problem was that a certain sector of society, the businessmen, they just thought that they are going to bankrupt in just one night.